Power School SIS. So when you log in, this is the first thing you're going to see. We're using to doing the attendance. Okay, all of these stuff are all about management and school, printing, staff directory, bulletin, see all of that. But our main concern is not the management stuff. We want to proceed to Power Teacher Pro. Okay, that's where all the grading happens. So let's click on Power Teacher Pro. There you go. Okay, so initially, if ever you starting from scratch, you want to set up the categories first. Oh, by the way, in the middle is the listing of all the classes assigned to you. So be sure all the classes are there. So that's the middle part. Now, remember our objective is categories. Go to A plus because it's grading related, grading, and then obviously you will see categories. All right. Now, these are predetermined by the school. Did you see that? By the school. So these are the categories normally used by the teachers. Now, for my part, I've selected already what categories I'm going to use. But you could show the inactive categories. These are other categories made by the school, or you can even make your own. So how do you navigate through that? For example, I did not use test. Probably you want to edit that test. Okay, click on that pencil. It will bring you to this window. So they're telling you the category is for what classes. I selected all classes. Okay, just click on that. Next, color, it's just there. For if you want to activate it, click activate and then go to the next tab. Okay, next tab. Um, will it be published immediately? Yes. Publish the score. Now, will it be in percent or in points or grade scale? Normally in the middle school, we use percent, right? Whatever you plug in, it's already in percent. Now, the scoring and the weight, how much percent will that be? So remember, all your categories should add up to 100. If you want it 50%, write 50. 20%, 20. So that's easy, right? Count in the traditional final grade, yes. So once you're okay with all that category you made, you can now click save. Okay, but I'm not saving it because for me, test is inactive. Okay, okay. So once all your categories have been selected and you've assigned already the percentages for each of these categories, you're good. Don't use all this stuff. Go to Power Teacher Pro. And the easiest for me is to do this plus sign. Plus, remember, plus, add. You add stuff in here. So you add stuff in there and you will add an assignment. Okay, now let's start by publishing an assignment. First, you will select which class will it belong. Will it just be for your 7th grade classes or for all of them? Just select them here. Okay. Next, the name of the assignment. Okay, you could literally write down the concept adding fractions. Say adding fractions. Then you could select the category. See, since you pre-selected it, it will automatically be there. So for me, adding fractions, let's say it's a classwork. And write down the date. There's a calendar where you could select the date. Next, the percent. Okay, yeah, it's automatic in percent. So sometimes it's in points. Be sure you check that this is in percent, but you could set it permanently through the setting in category. And then it says 20 points because mine automatically gives 20 points. I set it up a while ago in the category. You can even write a description of that assignment. So it is, let's say it's in Edgenuity assignment. You can even attach documents here. So save and close. Remember at the end, save and close. By the way, if the assignments are meant for specific students, go to the next tab. You can select them here. Okay. So, but generally assignments are for all. So save and close. Now let's proceed to input of grades. Okay, how do we input grades? So again, let's start from the beginning. I don't need all this management stuff. I go to Power Teacher Pro. Now, how do I put in grades? So assignments are listed already. Go to the middle. Select the class for which you want to input grades. Let's say one of the grades. Now, since you already put the assignments there, it will tell you what the assignments are and select which assignments do you want to put in grades. Let's say I want to put in grades for powers. Oh, this one, congruence. I click on it. It will show you a simple spreadsheet just for one input. So put them, the numerical grades there. You could type through your keyboard or you could use the one on the right side. Okay, there are complicated stuff that you could use there. We're not talking about that. Normally, we put in numerical grades. Okay, so input, once you're done, be sure you click Save Scores. Lower right, Save Scores. Now, there is another way to input your grades, and this will be this one. Again, select the class. Let's say you want to select the 7th grade and you want to select it this one. Check this one. This icon looks like a spreadsheet. Click that spreadsheet and it will give you a bigger spreadsheet. So that means it's easier to input for each of those um, assignments. Okay, easier and you could easily see them all. All right. Okay, and while you're inputting the grades, you could the percentage is already computed on the left side. You could see an update of the students' grades and even the level. All right. Okay, again, back to the main menu. That's it. Those are the basic stuff that you need to know so you could get started. Thank you.